Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to open font folder in Windows 11. So it is very simple. You can see here, I'm using Windows 11 laptop. I can simply click the start menu, then search about fonts. Okay, then you will get these sections, control panel. Open that, then you can get this kind of icons here, and here is the folder fonts. So simply click that, then it will be open F1 folder, and you can see here there is currently this much of means 80 items fonts default I will get in my Windows 11 PC. So I'm not installed a single font additionally. This is the fonts 80 fonts by default by Windows. So in this way you can simply open your font folders in Windows 11. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.